What's up, Mythic crew, and welcome back. Today I've got a surprise for y'all. We've got a new car that's coming to the channel. It's got plenty of work that needs to be done, so we're going to get to it. I'll show you what we got and what it needs done. Got ourselves a 350Z. As you can see, it's definitely not in the best shape. Needs a whole lot of body work. There's a bunch of gaps on the hood here. Everything's not lined up super well. This fender's really low. We need to paint the bumper and the lip. It's actually got some pretty decent wheels. So the interior's not too bad. It's got a rip in the seat. But other than that, it's actually pretty clean in here. It's only got 113,000 miles. There's no rust. You can see that the rear bumper is definitely tapped on some stuff. Previous owner definitely had some fun with this. This quarter panel is going to need a lot of work here. You can see where the Bondo's cracking, so it's probably really thick right here. This is a new fender. This is going to end up needing paint. Engine bay is not exactly pretty. Missing the plastic on that side. We've got a hot wire to the AC that doesn't work. A couple little things we need to sort out. For the most part, it runs really well though. This frame rail has a bit of a buckle right there, a little bit of a bend, so I'll probably end up taking the whole thing apart eventually so that we can match that side and be smooth. We'll give that a pull on a frame rack. So I'm excited. This is the new build. It's got an exhaust, needs a whole lot of work, but that's what we're here for on the channel, and we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you guys a whole bunch of stuff starting in the next video. Figured I'd just stop in and show you the car. So welcome the 350Z to the channel, and stay tuned for more.